Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a huge time saver for anyone managing their accounting. If you use Zoho Books, you know that manually categorizing every single bank transaction can be a real headache. In this video, I am going to show you how to create and use banking transaction rules to automatically categorize your imported data, saving you hours of manual work every single month. If this guide helps you streamline your workflow, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more efficiency tips. So, let's get into it. First, head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. On the left sidebar menu, look for the option labeled Banking and click on it. Once you are in your banking dashboard, select the specific bank account you want to work with. Now, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard, which is your Settings button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Transaction Rules. This is the central hub where you control how Zoho handles your automated bookkeeping. Once you are on this screen, you will see a button labeled Plus New Rule in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that to start building your automation. First, give your rule a descriptive name. For example, if you are setting this up to capture fuel expenses, you might call it Fuel Station Auto-Categorize. This makes it easy to manage later on. Next, you need to decide what this rule applies to. Select withdrawals if you are tracking outgoing expenses, or deposits if the rule is for incoming income. Now we move to the criteria section. You can choose to trigger this based on the description or the payee field of the bank transaction. Select the condition as Contains, and then input the specific keyword, like the name of the gas station or store that shows up on your bank statement. Finally, set the action. Choose Determine Category and select the exact account your transaction should be mapped to, such as fuel and mileage. Click Save at the bottom, and from now on, any matching transaction will be automatically matched for you. It really is that simple to remove the manual clutter from your accounting. If you found this tutorial helpful in managing your finances, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with our latest productivity updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.